Coconut powder is a fun and tasty ingredient that comes from dried coconut meat. It has a sweet and nutty flavor. It makes great recipes. So when you're looking for the best coconut powder, it's important to consider a few things. First, choose coconut powder that's 100% pure, because there's a lot of bad stuff. This means it doesn't have any added sugar, any added preservatives. Pure coconut powder has a rich taste already, and it's already healthier for you. Now, you should also look for a brand that's made from fresh coconuts, as this gives the best flavor. Another thing to check is how finely the powder is ground. Okay? And finer powder mixes better into the smoothies, into baked goods, and other recipes. So some brands also offer organic coconut powder, which is made from coconuts grown without chemicals. So this is a great choice for people who want to eat healthy. You can use coconut powder in many ways. It's perfect for making coconut milk, adding to oatmeal, mixing into desserts. It can even be used in savory dishes to add flavor. So the best coconut powder is pure, finely ground, and made from fresh, high-quality coconuts. That's what you got to watch out for. So enjoy experimenting with it in your cooking.